As all RVers know, stock mattresses in an RV can sometimes be described as lacking. For several years, Linda and I have made do by just adding a topper to ours. But enough of that. Today, it's upgrade day. So this is it, the BIGDAWG mattress from Sleepdog. Linda spent a few days researching online and she was able to locate this company that makes mattresses for truckers and RVs. So let's get it installed. After that, we're going to go over the factors that we used to determine why we chose this mattress over all the other options in the marketplace. And stay with us to the end of the video. By the time we post this, we will have used it for a month and we'll give you our full thoughts. I'm real happy. It feels great, it looks great. It took just a few moments for it to expand once we opened up all the packaging. Now let's move on to those factors that help us decide why we chose this one.
Now stick around to the end of the video. We're going to let you know how well we've been sleeping on this. So we're going to let you know the first night, 2 weeks in, and if you stick around to the very end of the video, we've got one more trip coming up this year, and at that point we'll have slept on this mattress for about 30 days and we'll let you know how it's going. But right now, let's talk about why we chose Sleepdog in the first place. So the BIGDAWG mattress is made by Sleepdog. It is a memory foam mattress, and it's comprised of 5 inches of high density foam, 2 inches of a gel memory foam, and then 2 inches of a quilted foam cover on top. So first, we wanted something made in the United States, and the Sleepdog factory is in Mt Airy, North Carolina, which is home to Andy Griffith. And we wanted some type of return policy. And Sleepdog, they offer a 120-day risk-free trial. So we did want an RV queen. We can fit a standard in here, but we like the RV queen because it allows us to have this little modification we did where we have a nightstand at the end. The next thing we wanted was the thickness of the mattress. Our prior setup with a stock mattress and a 3-inch topper was 9 inches. We didn't really want to go more than that because it would just been harder to get in and out of this bed because it's up on a platform. So we were looking for something at the 9 to 10 inch thickness. And the BIGDAWG comes in right at 9 inches. But our last, which is the must-have, was weight. We saw so many other mattresses on the marketplace and they were all 85 to 95 pounds. Our current setup with the stock and the topper was right in at 45 pounds. We didn't want to lose another 50 pounds to a new mattress. The BIGDAWG, it comes in at 57 pounds per the website. So we were only going to be adding 15 pounds extra, not the full 50 pounds. So that right there, that was a deciding factor that we decided to go ahead and order. But there were some other things that we noticed about the mattress when we first unboxed it. So one of the things we really like about this mattress is it gives us options. It's actually 2-sided. So the pillow top side is a little less firm. I think they say it's kind of a medium to medium firm, but you can flip it over and sleep on the other side, which is more of a firmer mattress. The second thing we noticed is how quickly it expanded. This one was fully expanded in just a few minutes and looks just like it does today. And there was no odor when we took it out of the plastic. In addition, the cover on this seems to be really well made. It's a nice thick cover, the stitching looks good, and there is a zipper that goes all the way around it. And an interesting side fact, I'd never heard of Sleepdog before, but they are actually part of a larger company called Bed in a Box. And Bed in the Box was the first company that came up with taking these memory foam mattresses and deflating them and shoving them in a box and shipping them out. And bed in a box has been around now for almost 20 years, which is going to bring us to all of that is well and good, but how well do we sleep on it?
Well, now for the million-dollar question. Can you actually sleep on this mattress?
So we have been sleeping on it for a couple weeks now.
Yeah.
And so first night, Troy, first night we stayed on it, what were your thoughts?
It is very rectangular.
It is rectangular. That's good.
Uniform thickness, generally speaking. Beyond that, I really wasn't that thrilled with it. I thought it was kind of dense. It was difficult to get comfortable. It took some getting used to. First night, I wasn't sold.
Yeah, and me too. I mean, we were on the pillow top side, and I woke up the next morning, and you know, we did sleep on it, but I was like, wow, that was a little firmer than I was expecting.
Yeah.
But now, 2 weeks in, what are your thoughts?
Well, right now I'm very happy with it. And to be said, even from the beginning, it was a far cry better than the stock mattress that came with the camper.
That's true.
Was painful from Jump Street, for me anyway, because I'm old and beat up. And but no, I'm totally happy with it now.
Yeah, it seems to have softened up, and I think that's why a lot of them say sleep on it for at least 30 days, you know, in that 90-day period, you know, and that's why they give those trials. But I would say now, over the last few nights, every night that I sleep on it, it just seems to be a little bit cozier.
Yeah.
So I will say, if you're somebody that likes to sink into a mattress and you really want that, you may need an additional topper on this one.
For me, though, I'm good to go.
Yeah, I think if you like a medium to a medium firm mattress, and I think both of us are very happy with this one. Right now, it's about dinner time, and I think we are here in Tennessee. We're outside of Nashville. First time here, we love it.
Yeah, I can't believe the number of years we drove right through Tennessee to hurry up to get out west. We probably should have laid up here for a number of days just to hit, I don't know, one of the 700 wonderful restaurants that apparently are in this town.
Yes, and we're going to try a new one tonight. We got some pizza. They'll actually deliver pizza to our site. So we're going to try it. We are going to enjoy this sunset. Gorgeous view. We are so looking forward to the sunset over the water. Well, actually, the sunset's on the other side, but this side we'll see it.
Forget about that.
So,
the points of the compass right now.
Anywho's, we are going to enjoy the night, and then hopefully another great night on our Sleepdog mattress.
So it's time for that 30-night update. You know, the other morning Linda asked me as we were waking up, how did I sleep? You know what? And for the first time in a long time, I had no real response other than I just slept. I just enjoyed a good night's sleep. For the longest time, the RV mattress that came with the camper and the topper we had on it, all of that was really poor. I wasn't sleeping well, and it really took a lot of fun out of camping for me. Now, I'm just enjoying a good night's sleep, so I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. I'm totally happy.
Well, Troy, I'm going to have to agree. Even though typically I like a mattress a little bit softer than Troy, I think this Sleepdog mattress is a great blend of comfort, quality, and hitting the size that we needed, especially that weight. Now, they do have some additional RV mattresses that are a bit thicker and a bit more plush, so you can check those out as well. Now, as the year goes along, if there's been any changes, we'll go ahead and update the description, and we'll mention in a future video how it's holding up about a year from now. So if you'd like to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And remember, Desi, he always loves it when you hit that notification bell.